Yeah.
I got a good upper medium dick, man.
Yeah.
I got
upper medium is
I got that candy corn. My shit built like a candy corn. Pull up a candy corn, Zach. Good, bro. I'm gonna get you up on game, baby.
It start big, go down small.
No.
It's the opposite.
That's exactly how it's shaped, just like that candy corn. Come on, get me a candy corn, man.
Yeah, click that one.
Just damn.
Okay.
Like that, baby.
Yeah. All right. So
like my shit shaped like the piece that lands back on Earth after the shuttle goes up. You know what I'm saying, bro?